tucked away in the dense woods above a famous Canadian ski town. A forgotten ghost town slowly fades into history, perched on the edge of Green Lake. Its ruins are being swallowed by the relentless creep of the forest. Once a booming logging outpost, this now abandoned settlement thrived until the mid-20th century, when the industry collapsed. Built by the Parkhurst family and later sold to the Barr Brothers Logging Company in 1926, it was home to about 70 loggers at its peak. A store and school sprang up in the late 1930s, but they were short-lived. By 1966, the town was left to rot. Now, time and nature are reclaiming what remains. Rusted-out trucks sit frozen in time, and vibrant graffiti splashes across the ruins, turning this lost town into an eerie, open-air gallery where history and art collide.